Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to listen the story of Little Bird Help Pig. Panda is very playful character in this story. Panda. Hello friends, I am Panda and I need your help. My favorite kite got stuck in the tall tree. Oh no, I cannot reach it myself. What should I do now? Maybe my friends can help. Let's call them. Panda claps his hand and his friends arrive one by one. Bunny the rabbit, Ellie the elephant and Strippy the little bird. Bunny the rabbit. Hi Panda, I am Bunny. I will jump as high as I can to reach the kite. Bunny hops up and down, but the kite is too high. Ellie the elephant. Don't worry Panda, I am Ellie the elephant. I use my strong trunk to shake the tree and bring your kite down. Ellie shakes the tree, but the kite is tangled in the branches. Strippy the bird. Hello Panda, I am Strippy. My wings are very small, but my beak is long and I can fly high. Let me try. Strippy fly to top to the tree carefully and bring down the kite into Panda's hand. Panda, wow Strippy, you did it. Thank you so much. And thank you Bunny and Ellie for trying to help too. I could not have done it without all of you. Strippy the little bird. It was the teamwork that saved the day. Everyone has their own special way of helping, big or small. So kids, moral of the story is everyone has unique ability and by working together we can achieve great things. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.